Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Premium Lace Wig. I'll have all of their information, some promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. Along with my wig, I received a wig cap, hair care instructions, a comb, hair clips, an elastic band, bobby pins, and a pink storage bag. I received a Brazilian loose wave wig. The cap construction is glueless full lace. The wig is 20 inches, 180% density, and the lace color is medium brown. The wig does have 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back, and the frontal is pre-plucked. So here's how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package and then you put it on your head. It's beautiful. I love this wave pattern. I want to make sure that I am sticking to its true and natural wave pattern. So I'm going to keep that in mind as I am styling this wig. So no heat or anything. I'm just going to make sure that I make the wave pattern pop as I'm styling it. I also do love the fact that this hair is more of a color number 1 than a number 1B. And I typically dye my hair jet black when I receive curly units. And the fact that I do not have to do that to this wig specifically just saves me an extra step. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be doing is bleaching the knots along the hairline and frontal portion of this wig. So I'll be grabbing my Quick Blue Powder Lightener by L'Oreal as well as a 20 volume developer. I am going to apply it to the knots and allow it to process off camera just to save time. Okay, so now that the knots have been bleached and the hair has been washed and deep conditioned, as you can see, the curl pattern is still there. It's still really, really pretty. It's now time to pluck away some of that extra density from the hairline. If you are new here, I do have a method of customizing my wigs and my frontals called the Beige method. The first part of that method is basically placing a wig cap on my wig head and going through the frontal and plucking the hairs in a zigzag motion. If you would like a full in-depth tutorial, I do have that already posted on my channel, so make sure you guys check that out or click somewhere on the screen or down below for the direct link. And I also want to keep in mind that I don't want to over pluck the hairline at all. I just want to pluck it enough for it to look natural. And after I apply the wig, if I need to pluck more from the hairline, then I'm able to do so once it's on my head. The next step of the Beige method is to create a perfect lace color match by using a custom-made lace tint. Because this is a full lace wig cap construction, I do highly suggest taking that custom-made lace tint color and spraying it on the entire wig cap. But because I know that I am not going to style this wig in a way that you will see the entire wig cap, like I'm not going to part it all the way down the center of the wig, I'm not going to focus on the entire wig cap with this lace tint as much. So I'm just going to spray that lace tint on the frontal portion of this wig. I do 2 layers of that lace tint and I blow dry it in between each layer. This is a customized lace tint. If you would like to know how I created it, I do have a video posted on that as well. Check the link down below or click on the screen or check my channel for that. Alright, so I was binge watching 13 Reasons Why, the newest season. I think it's season 3. And I really, really liked Jess's hair this season. I'll insert a picture if you guys don't even know what I'm talking about. But she basically kept wearing these hairstyles where it was kind of like cornrows on the side. And she had like this cute little flip over. And she had like wavy and curly hairstyles with that. So I was like, let me try that. So I'm basically going to cornrow the hair. And one thing that I really like about this style is that you get the look of an undercut without actually having to shave your frontal down. Although I do have a video posted on how to shave or get an undercut on your lace frontal. We're just going to fake that look by doing 4 cornrows on the side. Because this is a full lace wig, you are able to do cornrows all the way back. So I can part this wig and do like a full cornrow from the hairline all the way down to the nape. But for the specific style that we're doing today, I do not need to cornrow it from the front all the way to the back. Now that I'm finished those cornrows, I'm going to finish it off by applying some foam mousse. I'm going to basically pat this into the cornrows, and then I'm going to tie 2 styling strips on top of that, and that's basically going to mold the hair down, and any flyaways that I may have from the cornrows is going to lay it down flat, and it's also going to give me a really nice luster and shine. So now we have our style taking form. As you can see, it's kind of that flip over that I was talking about, and you see the baby hairs in the front and also my sideburns as well. Okay, on to styling. I'll be grabbing a bottle of water, my Felicia Leatherwood brush, my Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, and my diffuser. I'm going to grab a section of hair, spray it with water. I'm going to detangle it with my detangling brush. Next, I'm going to grab that elongating flaxseed gel and rake it through each section. I am using my detangling brush for this part as well, because the detangling brush is going to help get that wave pattern to pop. After that, I'm going to grab my diffuser and diffuse each section. Now it's time to cut the extra lace off. As you can see, the hairline on this wig does have an arc where the forehead is. It comes downwards more, and my hairline is the opposite of that. So I'm just going to grab the rat tail end of my comb, and I am going to cut some of that shape away from the hairline so that it can match my hairline a little bit better. I am going to follow the rest of the hairline with my razor blade just to get rid of that extra lace. I do have baby hair on the side of the wig where the cornrows are, and I want to make sure that I'm holding that hair backwards so that I do not cut the lace accidentally where the baby hairs are. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check down below in the description box for more information, promo codes, and direct links to this wig and to the company. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.